Now we're going to talk about the extra sections on your resume in addition to experience. Your skills section goes next. It should include your technical skills, your language skills, either fluent, conversational, or basic, and your lab skills. If you are using the resume to apply to a job in the US, you do not have to put fluent in English because that is assumed. However, if you are fluent in a language other than English, definitely put that. You do not want to include interpersonal skills, organizational skills, or other similar soft skills because you should be able to define what those interpersonal and organizational skills are within the body of the resume. Repeating it in the skills section makes it redundant. You can place the skills section in the part of the resume that markets you the best. So some people who are in the IT field put their skills section more towards the top of the resume, and that's fine. If you have volunteer experience, you may list it here. The way you should organize it is the role, bolded, the organization name, the start month and year to the end month and year, or the number of hours. So for example, I have first aid instructor, comma, American Red Cross, comma, May 20 whatever to July 20 whatever. Or you can list it like you do your regular jobs or the positions that are in the experience section. So example, first aid instructor, comma, American Red Cross, comma, Durham, North Carolina, May 20 something to July 20 something. A bullet that says taught basic first aid skills and techniques to a class of 40 students. And the second bullet says complied with American Red Cross procedures and interventions. The next section, if you have that, is your leadership experience. So you can list the role, the organization name, the month and year that it started to when it ended. So for example, we can have the president of Cambiano Caminos, comma, August 20 something to May 20 something. You may list it like that. Also, you can have a section with your professional organizations. So you can either list, if you were, let's say, an officer in that professional organization, you can list that. But even if you're just a member of the organization, you can list that as well. These examples have role, comma, organization name, comma, month and year, start and end. So example, member, comma, Phi Theta Kappa, comma, January 20, whatever, to the present. You can also have an honors section or achievement section. Things like Dean's List, if you were a scholarship recipient, and if you were an award recipient can be listed there as well. Therefore, that concludes the resume presentation. You can come see us in Career Services. Durham Tech Career Services wants to help you pursue your career goals. Come and talk with us about your next step. In order to schedule an appointment, you can go to the following website, durhamtech.youcanbook.me. Our website can be found at durhamtech.edu/career. Our job board is collegecentral.com/durhamtech. Our email is careerservices@durhamtech.edu. Our Facebook page can be found on Facebook as Durham Tech Career Services, and our Twitter handle is DTech Careers.